Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to draw the two-point perspective for the simple cube when the horizon line or the eye level is below the ground line. So this is my ground line, this is my horizon line or the eye level, and you can see the picture plane is touching with the plan. So I have drawn the plan. So this is my elevation. Well, let's start. So our first step, finding the left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. So what we have to do for that? So we have to draw a line from the station point parallel to this line up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, let me draw a line straight down to the horizon line. So in this variant, my horizon line is here. Don't make any mistake. In this variant, this is my ground line. So my horizon line is below the ground line. So you will see that this is the point. This is my right vanishing point. So let's do the same thing for my left side. So when it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down to the horizon line. So it's here. So this is my left vanishing point. Well, so now we found already our left vanishing point and right vanishing point. All right. As my second step, I have to find the true height or the actual height. What I have to do, since this point is touching with the picture plane, so I can bring this point down, straight down, and we know it should start from the ground line. So this is my horizon line, so it's the height should start, true height or the actual height should start from the ground line. So I'll bring the height from the elevation up to this line. So this is my true height or the actual height. It means my this edge. So what I have to do now as my third step, we have to connect with my left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. To find this side and this side. So now you know our right vanishing point is here. So what we will do, we'll connect the top as well as the bottom. Same thing for the left side. So I'll connect this bottom line with the left vanishing point and the top point with the left vanishing point. Okay, now we found this side and this side. So we have to connect this corner with the station point to find this edge. So when it intersects with the picture plane, what we have to do, we have to bring this down and it's here. All right, same scenario for the left side. I'll connect this corner with my station point. When it intersects with the picture plane, I have to draw the line straight down. Here we go. Well, now I found my left edge and right edge. As you can see, our 2-point perspective is above the eye level. So we will see our bottom part as well. So what we have to do, we have to find this bottom part. To find the bottom part, so we have to find these two edges. How to find these two edges? So from here, this direction, if you remember this, if we have any line with this direction, all these are parallel, so we have to connect with our right vanishing point. If I have any line with this direction, so we have to connect with left vanishing point. All right, so in this case, so you can see this direction is with our left vanishing point because of this direction. So I already know this point, so this is my that edge. So from this point I have to connect this corner with my left vanishing point, which is over here. All right, now same scenario for this side. So this direction is along with this one, so it means I have to connect with my right vanishing point to find this edge. So I'll connect this point, which is here, with my right vanishing point like this. Well, so we found the bottom part of the cube. Let me highlight the perspective so it will be clear for you. Okay, what you can see in this 2-point perspective, you will see in this 2-point perspective, you will see the bottom part as well as left, right sides with bottom part. So why it's like that? Because our horizon line or the eye level is below the ground level. Below the ground level. So in this variant, I hope it's very clear for you, when the ground line is above the horizon line or the horizon line is below the ground line, how the 2-point perspective view should be. I hope it's clear for you. All right then, see you later. Thank you.